In this video, I will show you how to print a board or an object in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. At the top part of your dashboard, click on My First Board or whichever board you're currently working on. Once your board is open, click on the object that you want to print. After selecting it, you will notice it becomes highlighted, and a row of options will appear above it. When you're ready to print, simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus P on your computer. A print preview pop-up will appear, allowing you to customize your printing preferences, such as orientation, paper size, and layout. Take a moment to review your settings to make sure everything looks the way you want it. Once you're satisfied, click on the print button and your selected board or object will begin printing. And that's how to print a board or object in Miro.